Hello everyone. This is a special video announcing a week-long sale which is a 80% discount of the major individual Parkour mechanics. They will be available on Gumroad and the projects featured are sliding, vaulting, mantling, beam walking, ledge climbing, cover, wall running/sliding, wall climbing, and predictive movement. This discount is being given as the Parkour series is very close to completion, so I wanted to provide a cheap option to the major mechanics in it as well as to say thanks to all the great viewers. If you are going to purchase any, have a look at all the previews and the description to know exactly what you are getting. The video showcases of each are available at the beginning of the corresponding tutorial video on my channel. I will now show how to apply the discount. The initial pages will show the default prices for each, so you will have to check out as so. To apply the discounted price, you can enter the code Unreal Discount here and click Apply. This makes all the mechanics very cheap relative to the content, but will only be from the August 10th to the 17th. If you purchase any, please make sure to leave an honest rating, and if you have any problems or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. That is all for this video. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.